Have you ever wondered what would be happening in 2050? What technologies would be working at that time? Each year, new technologies emerge. Whenever we think about 2050, we get curious about what innovations would be working at that time. There is huge potential in future tech developments, whether it's robotic bodies moving everywhere or bionic eyes. We've selected some of the most significant and intriguing future technologies. Number 1. Robots. It is believed that in 2050, robots will take over all the jobs. Many individuals are concerned about the impact of AI on our lives, which is one of them. Telemarketing is among the professions that will most likely be replaced by robots soon, irrespective of where the company that uses telemarketing facilities is situated. People performing data entry tasks at work or at the house are likely to turn outdated in the coming years. Robots will most likely be designed to replace jobs like data analysts, fast food workers, truck drivers, and even soldiers. Number 2. Hydrogen planes. Whenever we think about the passenger aircraft, carbon emission is a major problem. A £15 million initiative in the United Kingdom has revealed ideas for a hydrogen-powered aircraft. Fly Zero is a program sponsored by the Aerospace Technology Institute, collaborating with the UK government. The team has developed a proposal for a mid-size plane that will work with liquid hydrogen. It would be capable of carrying 279 individuals non-stop halfway around the planet. If this innovation becomes a reality, it might imply a zero-carbon trip with no breaks across London and Western America, or a solitary stopover between London and Australia. Number 3. Hologram technology. Another technology that'll be a part of 2050 would be hologram technology. As science advances day by day, there are a couple of new ways of coding: software, hardware, and networks. Hologram technology is its example. It is believed that 3D holograms will make their way into our life. A 3D hologram is a thing that is currently not present but appears to be either flying in midair or sitting on an object. Holography is a photographic method that captures the light dispersed by an item and shows it in 3D. In addition, the military is planning on relying on geographical intelligence heavily. For better spying, fully dimensional holographic pictures are being deployed. Number 4. Hyperloop. In only a couple of years, a modern transport system will transform the railway business and the social system as a whole, the Hyperloop. Through this transport, passengers will have to travel in a tube-like body train underground through magnetic levitation. It is a high-speed technology that is energy efficient and emits no direct pollutants. Moreover, it will run automatically and with cutting-edge technologies, decreasing miles by an incredible amount and connecting towns and operational hubs in a couple of minutes. Although Hyperloop is still a pipe dream, emerging technology will make trains quicker and better. With ground velocities of up to 700 miles per hour, Hyperloop innovation will permanently change the way people travel and seriously disrupt rival businesses for many years to come. Because of its magnetic levitation, technology will have an incredibly high speed while consuming very minimal power. Number 5. Drones. Drones are not something new, but they are not a huge part of our lives. Currently, drones are being used in photography recording videos. Still, recently, there have been developments for drones in doing various shipping tasks such as food delivery, mails, parcels, and much more. Not only that, but drones will play a far larger role in our everyday lives, doing tasks such as deliveries, aerial inspection, airstrikes, and firefighting to help extinguish fires in high-rise structures. Within the upcoming years, we may witness drones begin to make deliveries. Moreover, drones will also be utilized to transport items such as parcels in clinics and universities. However, there are a few hurdles to solve before it becomes a regular choice globally. Number 6. LIFI. Consider a future in which every lamp in your house is a source of internet. Doesn't it feel like a fantasy? However, owing to LIFI innovation, this fantasy will soon become reality. LIFI is another future technology through which light can transfer data rather than Wi-Fi radio waves. It basically takes digital data and lets the fan turn on or off. LIFI data connection may be constructed around current infrastructure by using conventional solar panels as LIFI sensors. Because the walls hide the light, LIFI is much safer and gives greater security, enabling more reliable data transfer. However, Wi-Fi networks are more vulnerable to hacking since they have a greater reach and radio frequency signals that barriers cannot stop. As a result, it is more difficult for others to use your internet without spending on it. By 2050, a nervous system will be constructed, that will fully connect to the whole world and will likely be cheaper than Wi-Fi. Number 7. Bionic eyes. Have you ever thought of something like artificial eyes would be real? Never right, but it is pretty much happening in 2050. Artificial retinas will be developed to work just like a human eye. Bionic eyes would become an excellent thing for blind people, as they would be able to see the world by implementing these eyes. Apart from seeing things, there is a lot these bionic eyes can do. It can be connected to Wi-Fi, enable night vision mode, thermal vision, and much more. It is one of the most modern future technologies anybody could ever think of. Number 8. Flying cars. Do you think in the future we will have flying cars? Well, it's not wrong. It is much more likely to happen in 2050. Tesla has confirmed that it will be launching flying cars by 2050. Not only that, but recently a company called SkyDrive has successfully tested a flying car with a passenger on board. And they have given a sign that most likely in 2050, commercial flying cars will be a standard transportation medium. Some people could own them while some might be traveling through normal cars. Government and international companies are considering flying cars because of immense traffic jams. The potential has been increasing day to day, and it is a significant reason for traffic jams. There is a long way to develop a flying car system because if the manufacturing of the flying car is not a problem, the infrastructure is. Our environment is designed for normal cars such as roads and parking lots. Everything must have to be demolished and rebuilt. That's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, have you heard of the new discovery on the Mars that shocked scientists? If this sounds interesting to you, click the video on your screen and I will see you there.